Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, back again with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I ended up getting one more day with this baby right here. So I thought, you know what? I was able to get it early today. I said, hey, let's go out, take some daytime photos and daytime video as well to see how these cameras perform when there's a daylight out. Of course, my previous video was all about nighttime. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and go back and watch that video. Let me know your thoughts on that. But today we're gonna be testing out the cameras when it comes to daytime with both photos and a video. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just let the photos run through, let you all watch it. And then after they're done running through, I'll go ahead and give you my thoughts and then we'll check out video. All right, so what do you think about all of the photos that were taken with the cameras here on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Honestly, for me personally, I think they do a really great job. As you can see, I was able to take some great shots with the cameras here on this device. Yeah, some of the photos may have been over sharpened a little bit here and there. I will admit that. But for the most part, I mean, I think the cameras did an amazing job when it came to both the front-facing camera and the rear-facing camera. Now, when it comes to video, let's check it out. All right, so it is now daytime. As you can see, got the sun all around me here at the Palace of Fine Arts. It is absolutely beautiful here, but we'll go ahead and just do a quick video test here with the front-facing camera at 4K, 30 frames per second. I'll go ahead and pan around here a little bit. Look at back there. Look at how beautiful this view is right here. This whole area, and the weather is just nice today as well. I get to wear a jacket, not hot at all. What do y'all think? Video quality, and also let me know what you think about sound quality as well when it comes to the microphones on this device. How well does my voice come through the mics? Can you hear me over this little fountain going on here behind me? Got some people all around me talking and stuff as well. So what do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. Again, front-facing camera, 4K video here on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's go and test out the rear-facing camera. All right, so taking it over to the rear-facing cameras here, just starting off with the main lens, panning around here. Now we do have that option to use the ultra-wide-angle lens. Want to capture more in the shot. It is looking so good here in the viewfinder. Can't wait to go back and watch it. And then we have the 3x zoom, 5x. And then we also have 10x telephoto. And then we can zoom in all the way 20 times. Let's go back to the main lens. Let's go ahead and walk this way so you guys can take a look at this, where I'm at right here. And you can also get a good idea of what stabilization is like as well. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful here. Throw it into the ultra wide. But yeah, what do you think? 4K on the rear facing cameras of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's go ahead and take a look at some other video footage. I won't be talking in the next clip. Hey, what's up, everyone?
Yo, what's up, man?
Team Samsung. Let's keep it going. All right, so there it is. We got photos and a video. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. I think when it comes to video, I think it actually performs very, very well. This just might be my new camera for the channel to record all of my videos. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.